Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook pizza for you in easy way. So let's get started. The ingredients are shown below. Chicken, onion, green chili, carrot, cheese, puffed bread or pizza bread, and yolk beans and tomato sauce. So let's start the video. So at first we have to mix all the ingredients together that I have shown below. So first of all we have to mix the sauce with the chicken, then we have to add some salt, some tasting salt, and then we have to mix them all together perfectly. So our mixing is finished. Now we have to fry the onion and other vegetables first with the chicken. Now we have to add the chicken after frying the onion. Now mix it properly and fry it, and mix some green chilies with it. Now it is fried and we have to add this. Yes. Now the frying is completely finished, and now we have to take the bread and make some holes in the bread so that the heat will pass into the bread and the ingredients will be cooked properly. So now let us put some sauce into the pizza bread first. Then we have to add the chicken that we have cooked before in this way. Yes. It is looking so delicious before the cooking. I'm thinking that I have to eat it now, but we have to wait for some minutes to get the perfect taste. Now we have to add the carrot which I have chopped. Now we have to add some cheese, mozzarella cheese. I have added it, and over the cheese I have to add some more sauce. If you want, you can add mayonnaise with it too. So our bread is ready now. Now we have to put it in the oven. The pizza is ready, and now I have to put it into the stove with the cover and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the pizza is ready, and let's cut and let's taste the pizza. This looks so yummy and delicious. Let's take a bite. Oh my god, that's so tasty. Thank you everyone for watching my video. And if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my channel because it inspires me a lot. And thank you once again for watching my video.